Okay, the first thing I've already done is use the brand new Color Science Pro Cleanser. I'm going to be telling you guys about that later. Next, I am applying my Plated Daily Serum. You guys, I know I love this. This gives you the most face snatching benefits, as well as helping to firm and lift, and it works great as a makeup primer. I love using mine in the morning for that reason. The next thing I am going to do is I am going to grab my neck cream because I want those exosomes to penetrate super deep in the skin, so I allow that time to dry down. This neck cream has had a bottle change. I've just been using it so long because I love it. It's a restorative neck cream from Elastin, and it has their Tri-Hex technology, which supports collagen and elastin while helping to promote overall texture, smooth texture. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles and firming. The next thing I'm going to do is apply my Kerastase hair serum while I'm still letting those exosomes dry down. I put this down the part of my hair and on each side. It really helps in the winter because my scalp gets dry, and I'm really just trying to help those little baby hairs grow. I've fried my hair. Okay, the next thing I'm using is the Color Science Total Eye. This is a clinically proven formula to really help just overall give you younger looking eyes, but I love this because I'm going to be wearing makeup later, and I love the way this really just fills in the wrinkles under your eyes and makes your makeup look so good. Just like that, I press it in, and I can also put it on my lid. It's safe for the lid, and it really helps to firm the upper eyelid as well and creates like the perfect base. The next thing I'm using is Skin Better Alto. I forgot my vitamin C at home, so I grabbed this. I actually love Alto Defense from Skin Better. It's not a vitamin C serum, but it is an antioxidant serum, and I live in the city, so we all need to really be using as many antioxidants as we can. It's also great for redness. The next thing I'm using is a Sanitas moisturizer. Again, it's an antioxidant moisturizer. I overload on peptides and antioxidants because I just love how they are protecting my skin. This feels really nice. It's a really creamy, rich moisturizer that does more because, again, when you're in the city, please apply as many antioxidants as you can. We have so much pollution. The next thing I'm using is the Isden SPF. You guys know I love this. This is a very thin formula. Please shake that bottle like I did. It comes out really thin, and don't be afraid. It goes on white, as you can see, but you can definitely just massage that right in. This helps to protect your DNA. So this is a DNA repair sunblock, and this will make sure that if you are susceptible to skin cancer, this will help you as much as you possibly can not get it. Please get this. The next thing I'm using is my MD Solar lip glosses. These are an SPF. You guys know I'm all about SPF everything. I'm using first blush. I love this. It's also a balm. I think it looks really pretty. It's very similar to my natural lip color. And today I'm just going to put shimmer on top. It's a really nice like matte look. You guys asked to see a matte look, so that's what I did.